First thing you're going to need to do is, if you already do not have the app, you basically need to search for Lime on Google Play or App Store. You can get it for no cost whatsoever. And once you do that, you can basically create an account using your email or phone number, and you can see all of the scooters just on your local area like so. You can see if there's a red zone, that means you cannot park there, and all the green dots indicate the scooter, and you can see the battery life on them as well. Once you've actually located a scooter that you want to rent, in this case, you just want to click on the scan option, and you can see your scooters right here. Now, all you're going to want to do is you want to go over to this QR code just on the scooter, and you basically want to scan it, or you can actually click on the keypad just on your screen and type it in, or use the flashlight if it is night. And doing so will allow you to actually start your ride. You can view all of the different zones and the different speeds you can go in this thing like so. Red means you cannot ride there and it will automatically stop if you try to ride there. Yellow means it's going to only go slow, and white means you're in the good, clear to go. And basically you can ride, you can see the battery life. This one has 4.2 miles left on it, and you can basically see information and how you actually want to ride it. All you want to do is you can simply twist the bell to alert people. Use the brake right here, just squeeze the brake if you want to stop, or you can push down on this to go. And you basically want to push down with your foot just like you would on a normal scooter to actually get started. But all we're going to need to do once you're done riding it is you can actually just pause it right here, or click on the end ride at the bottom of the screen. In this case, it does cost 39 cents per minute to pause after 15 minutes. And you can click on pause, or you can end the ride. It costs $1 to start and 39 cents per minute after that. And you can basically click on keep riding or proceed to end ride when you're done. In doing so, it'll give you a summary and a receipt of your ride. You can rate it if there was an issue or not. In doing so, click on X and you're good to go. That's all you need to do to rent or use one of these Lime scooters. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.